Getting ready to install this hybrid battery in this 2008 Ford Escape. The hybrid battery had gone completely dead, so we had to replace it with one that had been charged. And we'll take the battery that came out of this one and charge it and use it in the next vehicle that comes along. Using this nice little snap-on hybrid innovation lift, and it's going to go down in this hole in the back of the car. So the battery is suspended now by these lifting straps that come built into the side of the thing. They're normally folded up down here in the side of the battery, and as you can see, we have it suspended from the lift, and gonna go ahead and run it on in there. Well, the battery is now safely sitting on the back of the car. I'm gonna reconnect the high voltage and low voltage connectors before I slide it all the way in. The battery is installed in the back of the car and all bolted down. The connectors up front are connected and tightened up. And the service connector here, service disconnect they call it, is in the lock position, which means the battery is turned on, supplying high voltage to the car. So we're going to go up front here. And get in. And get the key. Sorry about that. The hybrid battery actually starts the engine in these Ford Escapes, and in most hybrids it is the starter motor. So this is working. A good indication that there's no problems, there's no lights on the dash that we need to be concerned about. And what else? That's it. Oh, also, I checked previously, it does do the auto stop function, which means it basically thinks everything's okay with the 12-volt battery and that sort of thing, so it can shut down its gas engine while it's waiting for something to happen. It's a pretty good sign that things are working properly. Then there it went. A little disconcerting to some folks. They don't like their car to cut off at traffic lights and stuff like that, but it's fuel efficient for sure. So there we are, we're done with this one.